Meaning of Greater Manchester.
Greater Manchester.
Greater Manchester.
Greater Manchester.
Greater Manchester. Greater Manchester refers to a metropolitan county in the northwest of England, encompassing 10 boroughs including the city of Manchester. The term greater is used to distinguish it from the smaller and more historic county of Manchester. It was created in 1974 and has a population of over 2.5 million people. The region is known for its industrial heritage, diverse communities, vibrant cultural scene and world-class sporting facilities. It is also home to two major football clubs, Manchester United and Manchester City, and boasts a rich musical history with famous bands such as the Smiths and Oasis originating from the area.